What's going on? My name is Jimmy Mahalik, and in this video, we're going to talk about why you or somebody you may know hasn't received their first stimulus check and reasons that may delay your second stimulus check when it does come out. So make sure you watch this video all the way to the end so you don't miss out on important information that may delay your stimulus check in the future or even the first stimulus check. Also, if you're new to this YouTube channel, make sure you click the subscribe button down below. It's completely free to do so, and this will make sure you don't miss out on new videos coming out about the second stimulus check updates. And I also do videos about personal finance and how to make money on this YouTube channel. So make sure you subscribe and click the like button down below, as it really helps out the channel. Okay, so in this video, we're going to talk about the top 5 reasons why your stimulus check may be delayed and how to fix it. And then I'm also going to show you how to check your payment status directly from the IRS with links on how to do all this stuff. Now, on last report, there's been over 40 million Americans that haven't received the first stimulus check, and now with the proposed second stimulus check coming out in the near future, it's really a pain point for a lot of people if you know somebody that hasn't received their first stimulus check. Comment down below if you have or haven't received your first stimulus check so we can help the viewers figure out why some people are getting their stimulus checks and why some people aren't, and so we can figure this out with the second stimulus check coming out. Okay, so the first reason why your stimulus check may be delayed is the IRS doesn't have your banking information, or you're getting a paper check mailed to you in the mail instead of a direct deposit. Now, the way the IRS decides how to send your stimulus check is from your most recent tax return. So if your most recent tax return, if you have told the IRS to send you a paper check for a tax return refund, then that is how they're also going to send your stimulus check. And if you're set up for a direct deposit, then you're going to get your stimulus check a lot faster. If you're getting a paper check, it can take up to 14 days just to print the check and mail it. It can get lost in the mail, and direct deposit is a lot safer way. With direct deposit, they deposit it directly into your bank account and it clears a lot faster. Now, as you can see in this article, is if you don't have a bank account on file with the IRS, you can submit your bank account directly to the IRS website so that they have your banking information. At the end of this video, I'll give you the link to be able to submit your bank account to the IRS and also able to check on your payment status. So make sure you watch to the end and you get all this information so that you know if you're getting your check or if it's going to be delayed. So the second reason your payment might not have arrived is because you make too much money. There are income limitation thresholds on the stimulus packages. And as you can see here, you need to be making under $75,000 or $150,000 for a married couple, $75,000 per person. Now, if you make slightly over that, your payments will decline by $5 for every $100 above the $75,000 threshold, and anybody making over $99,000 will not receive a stimulus check at all. Okay, and number 3 reason why you may not have received your stimulus check yet is that somebody is claiming you as a dependent. And this is actually happening to a lot of people. So as you can see here, if you're being claimed as a dependent and you're age 17 or under, then that will disqualify you. Or if you're even being claimed as an adult dependent, that will also disqualify you from receiving a stimulus check. So the next reason why your stimulus check may be delayed is because you have it prepared by a tax preparer such as like H&R Block or Jackson Hewitt. Let me show you. So if you use a tax preparer that puts your tax return directly onto a debit card, that could cause a delay in receiving your stimulus check. For example, H&R Block and Jackson Hewitt both have prepaid cards that you can get your tax refund on, and that may be causing a delay for your stimulus. Jackson Hewitt advised customers to update their direct deposit information directly on the IRS's Get My Payment tool that I'm going to show you here in just a second. And the 5th reason why you may not have gotten your stimulus check yet is that debt collectors may have actually poached your stimulus as soon as it arrived. The CARES Act does not not prevent private debt collectors from seizing stimulus checks as soon as they hit your bank account. Another reason some of my subscribers have listed down below in the comments is that child support has actually taken some people's stimulus checks as soon as they hit. So that could be another reason why. Now, let us know down below in the comments if you know a reason why your stimulus check has been delayed, or if somebody you know, their stimulus check has been delayed. This is very important because this is also going to come into play for the second stimulus check update that's going to be coming out very soon. Now, I'm going to show you two IRS websites that I'm going to give you the links for that is going to be very important for your stimulus check. Okay, so this first IRS tool is if you haven't filed a 2019 tax return. If you have already filed the 2019 tax return, the next tool will help you out. But this is for non-filers. You can actually enter your payment information through this tool here down below. Follow the steps and be able to give your payment information to the IRS for the first stimulus check and the second upcoming stimulus check. Now, the second tool, probably the most important tool for each one of you, is the Get My Payment tool directly from the IRS. And as you can see here on this website, this application will lead you to get your payment status, see your payment type, and provide your bank account information in certain cases. This is mostly for people that have already filed a 2018 or 2019 tax return. And this data is updated once every night. So mostly I suggest that you guys can check this tool in the morning and once per day in the morning. You don't need to check it more than that because it's updated at nighttime. So really you can check this once in the morning to see if there's an update on your stimulus check. They also have an additional link on here for questions about your payment. If you didn't receive your first payment, you can go through their frequently asked questions here, and this also may help you get information on why you haven't received your stimulus check. Also, I'm going to put the link to these IRS, the Get My Payment tool, and the other tool to update your bank account information if that first tool doesn't work. Those links will be down below in the description, and feel free to leave a comment if you have any questions, and make sure you hit the like button for me because that really helps out my channel. So make sure you share this video with anybody who hasn't received their first stimulus check, and this is also going to be very, very important because these same rules are going to apply for the second stimulus check when it passes. If you watched my previous video right here, a bill just passed the House for a second stimulus check and it still needs to pass the Senate. And you can watch that video for updates on that, so you get all that information in that video. And also on this channel, I teach people how to sell on Amazon. I have students that have replaced their entire 9-to-5 income by selling just one product on Amazon. And over here, I'll put a playlist that teaches you how to start selling on Amazon on my YouTube channel. You can watch that. And over here, I'll put other stimulus videos for you to watch. Make sure you watch those if you want more information on the upcoming second stimulus package. Thanks, guys, and I will see you in the next video.